Hi, I wanted to share a very special recipe with you today, and it's a recipe that I use all the time. Not just in the foods I prepare for my family, but I use this in my hair masks, I use this as facial masks, and I even sometimes use this recipe to remove my makeup. I'm going to teach you how I make coconut milk. I know there are so many different ways to make it. I like to use this coconut scraper, and you can find something similar to this on Amazon. It takes a little bit more work, but it is very satisfying, and I like this method here. Also, you can incorporate coconut milk in so many different recipes and ways, and it doesn't always have to be homemade. So don't omit coconut milk if you have to choose between making it yourself or using it from a can. Coconut milk itself is such a powerful ingredient that you want to be able to incorporate it in any way possible into your diet. So without further ado, let me show you how I make coconut milk. Now to get started, we are going to break our coconut in half. You can use a hammer. I prefer to use the blunt end of a knife. I'm going to strike the middle of the coconut and rotate it all the way around until I see it start to crack. So it's starting to crack. Whoa. Good. Wow. So you'll notice that I caught the water, and that's because I'm going to use that water to make the coconut milk. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press the coconut to this blade and scrape downwards, applying pressure. We get lots of wonderful coconut meat. So this coconut scraper is like a mini bench that I sit on to give it weight, makes it easier to scrape. When I lived in Sri Lanka, this is how the villagers used to make coconut milk and desiccated coconut for their bread recipes. So this is a very traditional way of making it. I think it's such a fun way to make it too. Helps you feel like you're making real home-cooked food.